Hey there, Facebook users. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to find posts from everyone on your account page in Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile photo icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Next, click on your name to open your profile. Step 4. Look for the label Posts and click on Filters next to it. Step 5. Next to Posted By, click on the drop-down menu. Step 6. Select Anyone from the options. Step 7. Finally, click on Done. That's it. You have successfully found posts from everyone on your account page. Explore and engage with a wider range of content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.